Right, so let's have a summary of the vectors. A vector has both magnitude and direction. So what we have said is that if that is the vector, let's say this is vector A and that is vector B, so it has a direction AB and it has the length of these. Okay? Sometimes this can be written as vector P. If you use this one, then the magnitude will be this one. Or sometimes you don't need to write this way, just AB. A scalar has magnitude only. So a scalar can be negative, can be fraction, so basically it belongs to all set of real numbers. The column vector is in this form, while the unit vector form is in the form of ijk, wherein, what did we say? The I is 1, 0, 0, the j is equal to 0, 1, 0, and the k is equal to 0, 0, 1. What are the types of vector? The position vector is the vector that comes from the origin. So let's say this is the point P, and let's say that that is the origin. So that now is the vector OP. Now, what is the displacement vector? It indicates the movement from one point to another. So let's say that this is my point Q. So this one here is the displacement vector. If A and B are 2 points and vectors A, so basically if A is a point, then this is the origin. This one is the position vector of A, and this is A, alright? Similarly, you have the B. Let's say that is the point B, and this is the position vector of OB, of B. Then what did we say is AB is equal to OB minus OA, or B minus A, vector B minus vector A. Two vectors are equal if they have the same magnitude and direction. Parallel vectors wherein the direction can be expressed as the scalar multiple of the other direction of the other line. A negative vector has the same magnitude and positive vector but the opposite direction. Meaning to say, if this is your vector A, then the negative of A is this one. Okay? In 3 dimensions, the magnitude of the vector xyz is this. Similarly, in 2-dimensional, the magnitude is x squared plus y squared. A unit vector is a vector of magnitude 1. That's why it's called a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of A, please remember this one, wherein again the A is the length of A applying that formula. The scalar product of two vectors, as what we have said, there are two definitions. This one and the other one is this. And this formula is being used to find the angle between the two vectors A and B. Another clarification, the A and the B are vectors. Please, A and the B are vectors. They are not the point. Okay? The angle between two vectors can be found by using this result. Okay? And what we have said, if the question is to show that the two vectors are perpendicular, then you need to show that A dot B is equal to 0. If you can show that it's equal to 0, then it is perpendicular. Okay? You use this one to find also the shortest distance between the point and the given line. So by now, please try to do all the past papers as much as possible about vectors. All right, have a good day.